I was stuck in a canoe at sea with one celebrity, who would it be?
Oh, I'm sure it would be a woman.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, it's full lockdown in the UK. There was like 2 foot of snow, gyms are shut, I've got no garage, I've got pretty much nothing to do on a weekend. Tempted to buy the Anabolic Cookbook by Doucette. Before I do, I went on to have a look at some of the previous recipes he's done, found a few that look really good, and saw the APPLE GOOP, so I thought, let's give it a go. We're in lockdown, there's nothing else to do, let's make some APPLE GOOP. Mum, do you like apple pie?
Love apple pie.
That's a no. Amy hates it, so I thought may as well come around and make something that they all hate. The recipe is 1 kilo of apples, which we've got there. I'll put a photo on the screen of roughly, it's roughly about 6 or 7 apples. 1 tablespoon of guar gum. The idea is that the guar gum, with the water, makes it really thick. The oats make it thick, and then it makes you feel full.
And it lasts longer.
Whether if you should just eat apples, you'd eat an apple and you'd still be hungry. Whether if you eat the oaty, thick sludge, it makes you feel full when you've actually not had that much calories. That's the idea. Greg Doucette's Anabolic Cookbook 2.0. Having looked at some of his recipes, obviously it's all in American, so all the foods or the things that he says to buy are often American food. Obviously his target audience is America. If this video gets 100 likes, I'm going to buy the Anabolic Cookbook 2.0 and do the UK equivalent. So any foods where he references to American food, I'm going to substitute them or find the UK equivalents. So yeah, if this video gets 100 likes, we'll be purchasing the cookbook and I'll be showing you some of the recipes. Not all, because obviously that's Greg's business, but I'll show you some of them and do some UK alternatives. Pouring the apple requires pure strength. So the reason why I'm so pale is because I've stopped going on sunbeds. Increase your chance of getting skin cancer by 75% if you're under the age of 30. Do you know that?
No.
And UV light exposure from sunbeds causes more cases of skin cancer than smoking causes more cases of lung cancer. So get off the sunbeds. So we want approximately 500 ml of water. The guar gum, which I'm using to add to this recipe, you might be a bit sort of suspect as to why I've got a weird plastic bag with some white powder in. But basically, working in the food supplement industry, I have got access to sucralose, sweetener, guar gum thickener. You can also use xanthan gum. If you want to get any xanthan gum or guar gum, I'll put a link or a photo like here, and a link through to some smaller quantities for guar gum and xanthan gum, which basically thicken your product. Thickening your product, as Greg says, is really useful because it basically makes you feel more full, and ultimately you're eating high volume but low calorie dense foods, which gives you that feeling of I'm full, I've eaten, but you don't actually consume any calories. So it's great for weight loss. 1 tablespoon of this into 500 ml of water. Guar gum with water to make a thick substance that we'll now add to the 1 kilo of apples. Just gonna, might be too thick, you know. I'll give you a quick close-up photo of what this goop looks like. We're doing 1 cup of oats, squash, porridge oats. That's quite a good accent. I'm going to add the oats to the bowl. Tablespoon of cinnamon.
The more cinnamon you put in, the more like poop it looks because it makes it brown.
And to finish it off, to make it sweet, we're going to add another random white bag. Again, this is sucralose, which you may be able to get online on Amazon. If you can, I'll put a link in the video below. So I'm going to add roughly half a teaspoon. That's probably too much. You could literally add a quarter of a teaspoon or a tenth of a tablespoon.
Could you use agave syrup?
In fact, that's probably still a bit too much, you know.
Could you use agave syrup if you wanted?
What's agave syrup?
It's like a natural
sweetener. Possibly. I'll link some agave syrup down below. If you can get sucralose, it's yeah, really good because you just need a tiny amount. I think for this, I'm going to also add, before I mix it all together, some of the Stealth Nutrition vegan protein, just to make it a little bit more anabolic. It's a vanilla cereal nut flavour. It's got some flavouring, some sweetener, and some thickness. So a bit of this, link down below, will be added to this. I'm going to put 1 scoop, which is approximately 25 grams. What do you think?
I think it's
Said it all.
going to look better when it's cooked.
I think this is going to be, might do one more cooking in Mum's Kitchen episode, but I think it's going to be the last one. I've got a new house project on the way in the end of March, and I've got a really nice kitchen. I've got a nice island in the middle, so I can have it properly set out. New house, new gym, it's all going down. I'm ready for the next 10 lockdowns that the country throws at me. Garage gym, nice kitchen. I'm going to be making lots of good YouTube videos. So waiting for the Apple Goop to cook. I may as well answer some Q&A questions that I put out on my Instagram. I'm going to do a Q&A, but you have to answer them as if it's me. So, best country in the world that I've been to?
Oh, America. I'd say your Las Vegas trip. Maybe Japan.
Japan was good. That was, yeah, Japan was a really cool place to go, but being the fact that, I think being the fact that I'd want to go back to America every year indicates that it's definitely the best place, particularly, yeah, Las Vegas, pretty cool. How do I stick to my diet?
You think ahead.
Or,
Prepare ahead. I don't know really.
I don't think I do stick to my diet. I think I'm in pretty, yeah, I don't think I do, to be honest. Well, mainly it's just eat healthy Monday to Friday, because I eat so bad at the weekends. So you just kind of get the balance. If I was stuck in a canoe at sea with one celebrity, who would it be?
Well, I'm sure it would be a woman. Which one?
I would have said Bear Grylls.
Oh, he's not a woman.
No, if you were stuck in a canoe with a celebrity, who would it be?
Okay.
Bear Grylls, because he'd probably get me home.
Well, you
But
could
if
have
it-
one of the Olympic rowers then.
Yeah, one of the Olympic rowers. That'd be ideal. Or, no, if it was a woman, probably Jessica Saw. I'll put her on the screen there. Would I ever compete in men's physique again?
I certainly hope not. I think it was quite a challenge, which obviously you rose to and did really well at, but caused quite a lot of pain. So I would hope not. I would hope you've got that out. And there are other challenges that you would take on next time. Different things.
Yeah. I think moving to CrossFit's helped me redirect my competitive nature, and now I'm kind of focusing it on that, and it means I can eat loads of naughty food and not have to diet to the next level. What would my life be like if I wasn't into fitness?
Oh, you'd be doing some crazy sport. You'd be doing some thrill-seeking sport, because you always have a bit of something on the go, like your electric skateboard.
Because when you say fitness, it means like, yeah, the gym. So I suppose, yeah, I'd be doing...
Something that gives you a thrill, anyway. A challenge. You like a challenge.
Probably like cliff jumping or something weird. Not that we have any cliffs near, but...
Good.
Yeah.
I think
water.
I think I might prefer that you stayed fitness, actually.
Yeah.
Cliff jumping. Not good for a mother to know.
Craziest party I've been to, and why?
How on earth would I know that? Because I hopefully didn't even hear about it.
Yeah, on that note, Q&A, we'll end the Q&A there. Right, Apple Goop, ready. So the finished outcome, after microwaving for about 10 minutes, the apple goes like soft, and once you stir it in, it goes very liquidy, very runny, but still with some texture. You've got the thickness from the guar gum. And we're going to serve this into a bowl, do a taste test, do a review.
Keep cooking this longer than last time. This microwave is really slow, so obviously the cooking times will vary.
The entire bowl that you saw was 1,000 calories. So that is probably 180 calories. Compare that to a protein bar. You've got a lot more volume of food. Now it's time for a quick taste test. Can you imagine if it was horrible? Cinnamon, vanilla protein, like a really, really, really nice apple pie filling. I'm not even joking, it's so good. So I really rate this recipe from Greg. I will be buying Greg's cookbook if this video gets 100 likes. I'm then going to be doing some of his recipes, but obviously substituting the American ingredients for the UK ones. And hope you found this video useful. Definitely give it a go, give this recipe a try. Recommendations are having it with Greek yogurt, cannot increase the protein content. I did actually put some protein in this anyway, but if you do then decide, I'll be putting this in the fridge, and then I've got a go-to snack whenever I want throughout the day or the next day, and I can just, you know, serve a bit out, put it in with some Greek yogurt, and I've got a high protein, high volume, low calorie snack. Gonna eat my apple goop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop it a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to get some of the vegan protein, head over to stealth-nutrition.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All in one go. I've got the option of putting it in the fridge and eating it over the next few days.